Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today here I'm with another monthly favorites. Now excuse my no makeup face, I'm just wearing a lipstick and I just moisturized my face and I did a little bit of my brows because I was like, let me do something. So why am I not wearing makeup today? Because it's hot and I don't feel like wearing makeup. And for a change, I wanted you guys to see my skin without makeup, like you would have already seen. But why now? Because just to have a rough idea that my skin, this is how it looks. Because at times, after makeup, skin looks really perfect. So I don't want to keep you in that dilemma. And secondly, don't be mistaken that I've straightened my hair. I'm not. It's only for a day. I did it yesterday. I just got it done because I had to attend an event. So I thought, let me just film this look. So let's move on to the monthly favorites. So yeah, last month was again a pretty interesting month, but yes, summers are on, so the makeup and the skincare, everything keeps changing, but my skincare regime is always same. So I have already done my morning and night skincare routine, which I will mention down below in my description, so you can go ahead and check it out. So let's move on to the first product, which I have been loving, and I always love this product. It's just that I don't know why I stopped showing you guys or why I stopped using that often. This product is my Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream. Now this is not one of the most favorite stuff of everyone in the market. Like a lot of girls don't like it, a lot of people like it, but for me it's good. I like it because I'm not a person who wears foundation every second day. So this is the thing which I always end up wearing because I personally don't have many BB creams or CC creams in my collection. So this is the one which goes well for my skin. So hands down, I've been using this last month a lot. Next is again a skincare. Now this is Lotus Tea Tree face pack. Now if you know, I have already shown my summer essentials in which I included this face pack also. Now I have a immense interest towards tea tree ranges, towards any brand, if you call it as. Like Bodyshop is one of my favorites, and this one is again good. Now this is more of a budgeted tea tree face pack. You can go for the Bodyshop one also, but this one I like using because this is the one which gives me that cooling sensation on my face and clears up my skin from the whole day of tiredness. So again, I have been using this one a lot, and you can easily get it in Indian market. Next is a moisturizer. Now I have already shown you this moisturizer. This is my Garnier Wrinkle Lift. Now I will show you how much I've used it. I've already used, like, I am going to empty the jar. Apart from this, I use another Garnier stuff also, but this one I use it like in days or mornings, whatever, but in a day I use it once at least, just to see the results, and I have been loving the results of Garnier skincare. So this one is like bomb diggity. If you are thinking of buying an anti-aging cream or something which just protects your skin really well, you should definitely try this one. It's not very expensive. Let's move on to another skincare. Is my Vichy Norma Derm Detox Night Cream. Now it's been ages I would have shown this to you, and it's been ages that I have used this, because earlier, like last year, I was just using this one, and continuously 4 to 5 months I used it, and I loved this product in a whole, which is a good brand for skincare. Now again, in between I started using this one. Now I'm not a person who use this cream every day on my skin. It's like weekly I use it like twice, but the results are very good on my skin. So Vichy, you can try their deluxe sizes or sample. If they give you, then buy, because it may differ person to person, because it's an expensive brand, and you can get these in Vichy outlets or NYKAA. Try, because I heard that Vichy is being closing down, so I don't know from where you can get this, but this one I have been using and I like it. Next is a essential which has to be there in your summers and when you really sweat a lot and then you have that tacky feeling on your face and you want to just give that nice amount of cooling effect to your skin. Here comes my aloe vera gel, which I use it like it's a holy grail product for me. So this month, like last month and last to last month also, like since the time the summer starts, if I'm going out in sun, whenever I come back, I wash my face, I have to apply this just to cool down my face. I don't do that intense, you know, face packing, face masking, all that, because I have realized my skin doesn't like that way. But this one is definitely bomb diggity. So this one I love using. As you can see, it's already like less than half, and I'm going to buy a new one. Okay, now since summers are around, so obviously you must be thinking she's showing so much of skincare, because it's all about skincare. Makeup keeps rotating, I will keep showing you the same stuff, but skincare drastically changes. Now summers, you know, you sweat a lot, and since you sweat a lot, you may end up stinking after some time and some bad odor will start coming. Now there's one thing which I bought it after seeing someone using it, and then I really like the results, and I'm so obsessed with this thing that I keep using this thing. Now this is the Synthol Deo Stick. Now I have 3 of them, and as you can see, this one is finished. This is empty, totally finished. This is the one, this one is Aura. This is amazing, you will like it. Then I have Spark. Spark is like a little stronger version. Aura is for everyone. Spark is not for everyone. People may not like it. And then this is Swirl. I'm not a big fan of this fragrance because this is more of a very subtle, and I'm a person who sweats a lot. So this one is a minimalistic one, but my favorites are Aura and Spark. And these will cost you 60 rupees, not more than that. So you just have to open it, rub it under your arms, and you would test it. Buy one, test it. I think it has, for me, it has broken records for any deodorant in this world, be it Nivea or anything. They must be promising 24 hours, but I still feel that after some hours there is a little change in your odor. But if you apply this one, you will love it. Like, after me using this, I gave it to my husband, and he is also obsessed now. Like, he finished the tube like in 15 days, and this tube will last you like a month if you're using regularly, twice, or if you use even once a day, it will last you 1.5 months. But I mixed, like, I used all the 3, like one is finished. So this one I have been using like constantly every day, not a single day goes away, and I see myself using it even after summer. So that's like my ultimate favorite. Okay, next is a perfume which I have been using, is my CK Into You. Now, you know, I am a perfume lover. I love perfumes, but since summers are around, and it depends on the mood also, what kind of a fragrance you want to use it. So this is the one which is like, you know, catching up me a lot nowadays. So I keep using this one, and it's perfect for any woman. I feel a person who doesn't like stronger perfumes will also like it. A person who likes milder ones will also like it. This is like made for everyone. So invest your money in this one. Yes, it will cost you a little bit, but then I'm telling you, you will not regret buying it. So this one is another favorite of mine. Next is definitely a sunscreen. How can we skip it? Now this is the only sunscreen I use. This is Lotus Safe Sun Sunblock Cream SPF 30, and this is the mattifying one. Since I'm an oily person, I use this kind of sunscreen, and this is the only one I use. So nothing can else be my favorite. Like, if I find something else in future, that's a different thing, but this one has to be my favorite. So I have been using this constantly, so has to be my favorite. Now we are down to some interesting makeup. Now the one thing which I'm wearing today is a lipstick, and I am obsessed with this shade. I don't know, when I bought this lipstick and I swatched it on my hand, I was like, did I buy a wrong shade? But then when I applied it on my lips, and I was like, no, I didn't go wrong with it. So this is the Colourpop Luxe lipstick, and it is in the shade Still Crazy. Now girls, don't just see it on my face and buy it, because this shade may wash out skin tones deeper than me, but fairer than me, my skin tone, you people will love this shade. And I feel this shade is closer to MAC Meher. This is the shade, or maybe a little, I don't know, they are a little bit closer to each other. So if you cannot go for, I feel, MAC Meher, you can definitely buy this one, and this is bomb. Now, so staying power, if you want to know, see, I have eaten a very little when I have worn this lipstick, so it gets out definitely. It's not a proper matte, but it's a very comfortable matte. Like, it will stay on your lips for 4 hours if you're not eating very oily food. It depends how you eat food when you apply a lipstick. That is also there, but it will, don't expect too much of staying power, and don't feel that it is not going to transfer and all. It's a most comfortable lipstick, and I like wearing these lipsticks, so I will be buying more shades, because even if I have 100 mattes, but I like the comfort which I get in this lipstick. So packaging 10 on 10, and pricing also 10 on 10, and the lipstick quality is bomb. It's a luxury lipstick. If you hold it in your hand, you feel you're holding something really nice. So I'm loving this lipstick again. Okay, next is another 2 lipsticks which I'm going to show you first. One is Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. Now, I have been wearing this one also a lot. One of my favorites. Now, I have already shared a video where I've shown my top 10 summer lipsticks, which you can go ahead and check out. It's for all Indian skin tones. So you will not be, like, you can decide what lipsticks you can buy. So this one also I included there. So this is the shade Rebel Rose. You can see it's a really nice mauvey pinky shade, and it will complement a lot of skin tone. Again, with this lipstick, a deeper skin tone person may feel a little washed out, but if you feel that your lipstick is washing you out, another trick is apply a darker lip liner underneath your lipstick. You can work out your lipstick like that also. And another shade which I have been loving is Viper, and most of you have complimented me whenever I have worn this lipstick, and whenever I wear this lipstick outside also, people end up asking which shade are you wearing. But since Colourpop is not known in normal ladies, they don't know there's a brand called Colourpop till the time you're not on YouTube or you're not following a YouTuber. So they really love this shade, and it's a really different shade. Like, if I swatch it on the hands, you'll see it's another mauve shade, but when you apply it on your lips, it just gives you a different look, and it really gives you that wow factor. Like, whenever I wear this lipstick, I get a compliment. And this is Ultra Matte Lip. I know a lot of people don't like Ultra Matte, but I'm a big fan. Okay, next is a lip liner. Now, I personally don't wear lip liners. Why should I lie to you? I'm not a person who ever lines her lips, because I feel I can apply a lipstick better off without a lip liner. But recently, I started using this particular lip liner for certain lipsticks, and specifically, if you ask me, I like using this lip liner under my MAC lipsticks, or for that matter, any lipstick which is a little lighter and I want to just tone it a little bit deeper. So this is the shade called I don't know what is the shade, but it's from Miss Claire, and it's a retractable one. This is the 14 number, and it's more of a brown toned mauve, this one. So what I do basically, I will randomly just fill in my lips here and there. I don't do the precise whole thing, and then I will just apply my lipstick and I'm done. And this really holds the lipstick well. Like, since I told you I'm not a person who wears lip liner, so I don't like anything underneath my lipstick. So this one gives me that comfortable feeling, and I don't feel that I applied something before my lipstick. So I will be buying more in this, and these will cost you $195. Yes, $195. But they are good. Retractable, you don't have to carry a sharpener. Next is a brow pencil. It's my Face's all-time pro brow pencil, and I have used this today on my brows. My favorite after my 3D one. I have been loving and obsessing over this brow pencil. Maybe because it has a spoolie at the end and the consistency of the brow gel is also good. So it's quick and faster. Like, I don't have to work around too much with my brows when I'm using this pencil. I'm like quicker. So that is why I like this. So this is the reason I love this, and I have been using this only constantly. Next is a lipstick again, which I missed showing it to you. Is my Lakme, yeah, it's Lakme Lakme Masaba collection lipstick in the shade Caramel Toffee. Now this is the shade Caramel Toffee. Again, a wonderful shade, nice consistency, and I really like the fact that Lakme came out with this particular collection, Masaba one, because I feel Masaba collection was different than the Argan Oil one, the Argan Oil Matte one, the Glossy one, and then now there is another range, Aloe one. I don't just feel like buying them, but this one was really good, and I bought this long time back. It's not that it's my recent purchase, but I never showed it to you because I was not wearing this lipstick a lot. But off lately, I have been wearing this lipstick a lot. Like, I have become more of a nude person. I don't know why. But even in the nights, if I do a very deep eye, I end up wearing this one or the one which I'm wearing currently or anything else. But nude is like my cup of tea nowadays, and this one does the job. Now it has another shade called Cotton Candy. I feel that is also an amazing shade, which I'm going to pick it up sooner. But this one is thumbs up. If you want to buy a nice matte lipstick, you can go for these also. They're not very expensive. You buy it in discount. So another lipstick. Now we are down to two more products. Now this is a foundation. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Now I have already reviewed this on my channel, and sorry girls for touching my hair again and again, because I'm not used to this thing coming off of my face again and again. So this foundation I have been using in summers, and I like it. So if you're wondering should you go ahead and buy these for summers, you can. This foundation is all in weather. You can use it in any kind of weather and you will like it. So this one I am using it and I love it. It's one of the best in markets, and thank God NYKAA has it. So this is the shade Amber Beige. I mix it with another shade and then use it on my face. So don't be mistaken that is this her shade. No, I have already done a review, so there you can see the shades and everything, and I've done the application also. But this is like a bomb foundation. I like it. I really like Wet n Wild products if you ask me. So again, big thumbs up. And last is my, as you know, it has to be there. It's a highlighter. Now if you would have seen every favorites, I have a highlighter to show you, because I don't know, I use highlighters, so why should I lie to you? And at times I'm so crazy that I will just mix up a little bit in my loose powder, like take a little bit of highlighter, put it on my loose powder and just swirl it all over my face. And I really like that chic, you know, that sheen on my face, and it's good. Instead highlighting my whole, like the high points of my face, I like it that way also nowadays. So this is the PAC HD Baked Highlighter. Now this is the shade 07, which I have been using, and this is the only shade I use, and I just so love it. Like, I'll give you one swatch. This is the shade. This is like one swatch. I've not even, you know, did so much on my pan. It's just like one swatch and it cannot go wrong. Like, these highlighters, I know why people rave about them and why people are so obsessed, because it is a product of obsession. Let's be real about it, and you should definitely put your hands at least on one shade and try it and then buy it, like buy more. So yeah, this was my last product of my favorites. I hope you loved watching, and if you really loved watching, why don't you like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.